Hello everybody, coming at you with all my ace. How you guys doing today? It's the middle of winter. We got the dirt bike. I want to do some riding, but as you can see, we have some problem with ice, so let's give it a go. That's simply not gonna do. We can't get anywhere, so we're gonna have to fix that. All right, so we have a solution. Thank you to Kavonics. They sent us some ice studs. So we got a tungsten carbide auger style stud. That is for the rear. Maybe a little too close, it might not focus. That is for the rear. We got an installation tool with a magnet. So watch this. So we take this and try not to spill this all over the ground. But look at that, it stays in. Well, I mean, these ones are a little heavier, so they will fall out. So that's for the rear. We got 100 tungsten carbide studs for them, and these ones are for the front. There's kind of a couple here. Those are for the front tire. Once again, we have a nice installation tool that has a magnet in the center. So, thank you to Kavonics. We're gonna throw these on the bike and give it a test drive. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're going to take, and there's notches on the tool and in the stud. You're gonna slide that in there like so, and the magnet will hold it in. We're gonna take, and you're gonna count how many you got. So I think I have like 42 lugs around, and it equates to, I could put roughly 2 studs on every path, and I would be at 80. So I have 100, so I'm gonna get this pattern down right here. So we have the little 5, and we try not to put them directly in line, so it's okay if you get them off to the side a little bit, because it's gonna grip different. So we want to get them in the center of the lug, and what you're going to do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it, oh, we're gonna put it right here. But we're gonna put, and you're gonna press firmly straight down and then slowly drive it in. You're gonna drive it in until the teeth, look at that, can you see that? So you see how my tool is sitting flush against the tire. That means we have the stud set all the way. And you want the collar of the stud to be flush with the rubber. So that's how we're gonna do it. Now we gotta do this 80 to 100 more times. Now you want to make sure that you're not over tighten these. That way it's not shredding the internals, so you just want to get them flush and they won't come out. All right, so we got them all installed. We have 100 number 180 studs in this tire. So what I did is I have this 5 pattern going on, and along the edges, this took 80. The center took 80. And then along the edges, we alternated. So we have one right here and then one right here. So there's 40 knobs. So we just bounce across. And look at that tire. Look how gnarly these look. Now these are the Kavonics number 180 studs, and we got 100 in that tire. I don't got the front done yet, but let's just see how this works. Let's see how this works against the old ice. We're gonna try that. All right, so we got 100 of the number 180 Kavonics ice studs in this Vulcan Duro. So we're going to see, you saw how it worked last time. Let's see how it works this time. not doing that without ice studs. That was gnarly. You saw how much I struggled. I tried to give her to spin and she pulled the front end right off the ground. These things are crazy. I can't wait to get the front installed and we'll get hit some riding. Alright, so we got the front done up. We have 88 studs in here. Personally, I think I would like a little bit more, but this is all that I could fit. That have a decent pattern, and I only have 12 studs left, so that's not really going to do me any good. There is 58 lugs on this particular front tire, so they don't divide well. So I can't put 2 in each stud with 100. So I would recommend either having like 150. And this is what it looks like with 100 studs. But we'll see how it works out. But that's what we come up with. So we got some side traction, and then we got a center. But yeah, personally, I would like to have a little bit more. But that's what we got with 100 studs. We put 88 in there, and check that out. That's pretty cool.